The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, southern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 6 miles southwest of Oatlands, or near St. Louis, and was moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters. Locations impacted include Oatlands, Brambleton, Arcola, Leesburg, Broadlands, Ashburn, Lansdowne, Dulles International Airport. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm